Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a simple steps on how to fix your left control key is not working in your Windows 11 keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the start icon. Please tap on it. Okay. Go with your power menu options and click on restart. Yes, it is very important to restart your computer because in some instances, when you restart your computer, your problem will be fixed, like the left control key is not working. Once you have relaunched your Windows again, try to press your left control key and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to move on to the second method. The second method would be here at the start icon again, make a right click, but this time you need to choose for device manager. So please tap on it to bring up a new window, which is your device manager itself. The moment this window would show here at the screen, please navigate to the adapter called or option called keyboards. Now click on this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. Make a right click and go with update driver. This kind of window will ask you to choose two options. Please proceed with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then click on this backward arrow and choose the second, which is to browse for drivers manually. And then you would be able to see this kind of option being placed at the second, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Please click on next and it will show you the compatible hardware. Please click on the model that is available or that is being placed at the box and go with next and it will be installed here in your Windows. So wait until it will be successfully installed. Once done, restart the computer and check if your left control key is now working. However, if not, then move on to the next method. The next method would be you need to make a right click once again. Go with your device manager, tap on it. Okay. And in this kind of window, once again, please proceed with your keyboards. Click this forward arrow. Please click your keyboard driver, make a right click, but this time you need to go with uninstall device. Now, before you confirming your action, I want to assure you that the moment you've clicked on uninstall, it is harmless since the moment you relaunch your Windows again, you just have to restart it. And once you have restarted it, it will be automatically installed again in your Windows. So by that, check if your left control key is now working. Okay? However, if not, then you need to bound to the last step. The last step would be you need to attach a USB keyboard. Okay? And you can use that as your alternative. Okay? So you can use your left control key there. So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.